Good day everyone. This is I've had another TV come in. Apparently it's got a fault. I'm not sure. It's been kicking out in the rain. And it's Goodman's. I don't know, one of your flat screen HDMI. Don't know actually what's wrong with it. Apparently there was a fault. It's a Goodman's TVL what is that? TVL 19W17HD 19 inch. It has your usual SCART and VGA and HDMI port as well. Anyway, don't know what's wrong with it, so we're going to do see what it is, what's the matter with it, and we're going to tear it down and see if we can repair it. So let's have a look. Let's just switch it on. Just turn it on. There we go. It seems to be pulsing. This looks like a power. I'm guessing this is a power failure, power board failure. I'm guessing. Okay, well what we're going to do is we're going to pull it apart and we'll have a look. Okay, got the back cover off. Doesn't seem to be too much out of place. I think it's not too bad. Everything seems to be built-in. There's a lot of controls, speaker. Right, it's like I've got to try and get this unit off here. Try and see what's in the back. Okay, well we'll have a look at that. We'll go from there. Okay, well we've got the board apart. Look at the main processing unit. This is the main VGA and signal input unit. And the drive to the screen. Power supply into it. And your aerial, and obviously your various inputs, VGA, HDMI and SCAR. Suspect there's nothing wrong with that one. It's going to be here, and this one is the power board. And looking at it already, I can see a suspect few caps. I'm looking at these ones here. And look a bit closer. I think, looking at these, that one, and that one, tops look a bit raised. It should be like this. So 470 microfarad at 25 volts. I think I'm going to try and find some of the caps from a power supply or something, and we'll give it a try and replace these. We'll go from there. Alright then, stay tuned. Okay, right, now we've got the caps in. I've changed this cap, that cap, and I've changed that one. And that one, although it's bubbling in the top, it actually read quite well. I don't have a spare cap anyway, so I'm going to risk it for a biscuit and we'll see what happens. If it works, it works. It don't, it don't. I'll have to change it, but it meted out better than the other caps. So we'll go with that, put this together, and we'll see what happens to the rest of the board. Okay, moment of truth, here we go. It's all wired in. Wires all back on. These are the high voltage lines for the tubes in the TV. That actually gives you the backlight. There's one in there which does the actual supply to the main. It's not really a supply, it's video output. And this will be the speaker lines. That's all in. Runs in through here and so forth. And then you've got the infrared receiver. Okay, we'll give it a go and see what happens. Okay, here we go, moment of truth. All back on its stand. Let's just plug it in. We'll either do one or two things. And look at that. Perfect. Yeah, does it all work? We'll use the old remote. Let's see what I was looking at. Mute. Yep, that works. Off. On. Maybe not on. Let's see what I'm doing wrong there. I can only read what I'm looking at. There we are. Spot on. Volume. TV SCART. What's that? TV. Let's see if I can do something here. I haven't got an aerial. Years ago we used to use an old bit of wire, but I don't think that'll even do it either. No, probably not. No. Just false hopes, I'd say. But anyway, there you go. I'll try and read the menu. There we go. That's okay. Vivid. Mild. Perfect. Okay. Thanks for looking, and join us again another time.